Expressions quiz interacting. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about people who are interacting. Read each sentence and choose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. Before they divorced, they were at each other's throats for months. A. Kissing and cuddling. B. Strangling each other. C. Quarreling frequently. At each other's throats means letter C. Quarreling frequently. Number 2. Why do professional footballers usually turn the other cheek after being insulted by an opponent? A. React angrily. B. Refuse to react. C. Look away. Turn the other cheek means letter B. Refuse to react. Number 3. Alan can stand his brother-in-law. A. Strongly dislikes. B. Is dominated by. C. Is shorter than. Answer is letter A. Can stand means strongly dislikes. Number 4. Most people don't like Marcus, but I've always had a soft spot for him. A. Been fond of him. B. Found him attractive. C. Trusted him too much. Answer is had a soft spot for him means letter A. Been fond of him. Number 5. Kim and her girlfriend have patched things up at last. A. Started living together. B. Ended their relationship. C. Repaired their relationship. Answer is patched things up means letter C. Repaired their relationship. Number 6. I've been neglecting my kids lately, but I'll make it up to them somehow. A. Apologize. B. Make amends. C. Give more gifts. Answer is make it up means letter B. Make amends. Number 7. Are you and your brother still on speaking terms? A. Able to speak. B. In contact. C. Getting along. Answer is on speaking terms means letter C. Getting along. Number 8. We're getting on like a house on fire these days. A. Not getting on well. B. Getting on very well. C. Getting on fairly well. Answer is getting on like a house on fire means letter B. Getting on very well. Number 9. The dispute between Tony and Joe came to a head when Tony knocked out 3 of Joe's teeth. A. Reached a climax. B. Reached a compromise. C. Came to an end. Came to a head means letter A. Reach a climax. And number 10. My sister and I have huge fights and then we kiss and make up. We've always done it. A. Pretend it didn't happen. B. Kiss each other's cheeks. C. Become friends again. Kiss and make up means letter C. Become friends again. This video ends here about expressions quiz interacting.